Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're going to be emptying out this storage unit, which contains parts for our next build. If you're new here, go ahead and like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, so that way you're up to date on future videos when they drop.
I could go with that.
This is what we're here to get today. This is our trailer. We're going to be using it to move stuff out of the storage unit and into the garage. It's moving day. We're headed to the storage unit to get some stuff. You may even get a clue for the next build, but we're not going to tell you the full build. It's a surprise. Stay tuned. Let's get started on moving this stuff out into the trailer.
I can't believe my camera guy has his finger in the shot. All right, Joe, if you're watching, your finger's in all the shots, you're fired.
All right, we got everything unloaded, ready to go for whenever we're ready to start building this new project, which I'm not going to tell you about just yet. If you know what kind of car this is, or you think you know, put it in the comments and give us a guess. Stay tuned. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Get that notification bell ready. That way you can get it as soon as it comes out.